guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to today's episode on Vibes 360 Wave YouTube channel. So I'm going to be teaching you the fastest and easiest way to develop your Durag in no time. So guys, in case you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you go hit up the subscribe button and always turn on your notification button for more videos like this. Let's get started with the business of the day. So guys, here we are back, and the first thing you need to do is to lay up your Durag like this. The first thing you need to do is to lay up your Durag like this. You make sure you have a very quality Durag and all the strands are straight and are aligned together. So guys, you lay up your Durag like this. I prefer twisting my Durag inward like this to help compress my hair better. To help compress my hair better. Then you switch it up, switch the strings. Then you hold one. Make sure you lay the flaps completely so it will lay down very well on your head. So you pick up the second one and you do the same thing as you lay it down properly to give you an even compression. Then you heat up this one, tap the Durag. You do the butterfly knot method, the way you tie your shoelace. That's how you're gonna do it. Then you adjust it for even compression. You adjust each and every part of your Durag for even compression. You adjust every part of your Durag for even compression. So guys, this is one of the simplest way to tie up your Durag and fastest way to tie up your Durag. Check up on other videos how to style your Durag in different methods. Check up on the videos on my description box and make sure you subscribe and make sure you engage in each and every of these videos, which would be helpful to you in tying your Durag in different methods. So guys, that marks the end of today's video on Vibes 360 YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and you turn up your notification button for more videos like this. See you next time.